So guys, good morning. Today is Saturday.
Good morning.
And we are getting ready for church.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Zion is ready.
Good morning. Good morning.
Naka-base na si Zion. Poging-pogi na ang baby namin.
No.
Ang babing makulit. So, ready na kami for church, guys. Sinaantay na lang si Daddy. Dabong is ready na din. Ate ay nagre-ready. Nagre-makeup. So, ako almost done. Almost done na tayo. So, this is our Sabbath dress. Today, nabili ko tong wide leg pants doon sa thrift store for $8. $8 lang to, guys. And then, itong top, $6. Ang cute nito. Yung sa dito. Hindi nakikita. May tahiin dyan. And I have blue coat din. Si Zion, ready na rin.
Hello.
Si Daddy, almost. So, this is the final look. This is our final look.
And I have my
Naomi. Tagal ni Daddy. O, ganyan ka. Ito yung outfit namin today for Sabbath. Lahat to, guys. Thrift store from head to foot. Yung sa akin. So, it cost only less than $20. Atelier. Naka-long dress. Maxi dress. And may shade. Ang ganda kay Atelier yan. Hiniram ko.
I was looking for that.
Alis ka na.
Did I put it in the car?
No. Alis ka na.
I swear I put it in the car. That was no. I was about to use it yesterday. Sana yun?
Let's go!
Did you lock it?
Dabong is ready. O, diba? Naka-block. And, uy, yung bag. Iniwan niya yung bag. Sa your bag. Kunin mo na lang, be. Everybody's ready for church. Let's go.
Ayaw niyo mag-drive.
Oh, sorry, Ging. Ow! Daddy, may bag. Ah. Are you okay, Sai? Wow. Yung roof open. The roof is open.
Hello,
because
guys.
it's summer na.
Hindi, nakalimutan ko kasi yung bote sa suloob.
Bumaho. Let's go na. Sa your bag.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so heavy. Why?
Because I put it.
Yeah, you can spray. Maamoy yung car. Naiwan Daddy yung kalakal. Hi guys! Hi people! So guys, papunta na kami ng church. Time check, 10:23. Mga 30 minutes yung biyahe namin papuntang church.
Connect mo sa Bluetooth.
Hi Dad!
Bluetooth yan.
Lalagyan ko pa to ng battery.
Wala ba?
Siguro, wala yata.
Meron yan?
No, like it has battery, but I don't know if it's still working.
Yeah, tagal na kasi yan. Baka nabilang ko yung
Then
battery.
try it. Connect it.
Para ganyan lang. O, pinipress dito. Pwede ako mag-picture. Diba, Zion? The weather is nice. Grabe. Magpa-park kami mamayang hapon. After church. Diba, Bong? Gusto niyang mag-walking with Jesus. Si Daddy gusto niya mag-sleeping with Jesus. Ang ganda, so clear ang sky, sobrang liwanag ang paligid. Yeah. Maganda, maganda na maglinis ng yard.
Mag-camping.
Mag-camping. Hi, Zion.
Hello.
Why are you so pogi? Ate, may curlers pa.
Stop.
Why is so pocket?
Yeah.
Because you changed.
Oh, because mommy is pretty. Right? And daddy is handsome.
Niya ng wind sa audio.
I know, right? Bukas yung roof kaya maingay. Oh, maingay tayo, guys. Binuksan kasi mabaho ang car. Naiwan ang kalakal. You need more curler? More curlers for Adelaide.
I always need one.
Where are we going, Sai? Church. Nay, video me, video us. Kunyari, lalakad. Yan yung mga paparazzi. Dapat nasa unahan, hindi sa likod.
The best.
Mommy, you know why I whistle?
Ayos na bala kay John Lake na bala mga pamani.
Mommy, do you know why I whistle? Because remember when you said when I whistle, that means
Hi guys! Tapos na yung church namin. Papunta kami ng park at kami ay magpipictorial. Meron na doon parang cherry blossom. But, hindi yung cherry blossom, di ba? Apple, crab apple na mga trees na So, pauwi na kami after ng park. Tingnan na namin doon. Baka meron pa kasi umulan. So, hopefully may mga bulaklak pa. Dito kami sa may... Sa downtown ba to, be? Saan ba to? Ha? Bridgeland. Ay, dito kami sa Bridgeland. Titingin kami dito sa bake shop na pinipilahan daw.
let's go to the park.
Yung pangalan niya ay Marie Bake Shop. Daming tao sa loob.
I thought we were going to the park. Yay!
Daming tao. Ay, ang cute. Wow. Lahaman. Cookies and cream. Ang cute, oh. Raspberry.
They have ham and egg. I
No,
want.
no.
Wow.
Ham and egg is pork.
What about cheese?
Ha? Ham and cheese. All ham is pork lang ga.
Oh,
Ito, parang masarap.
It's pork, Mom.
Ha? Yeah, it's pork. If it is ham, it's pork.
Tell them.
Bili kayo?
Mommy,
Ito. Just one lang. Dali. Para matry nyo lang.
I wanna get
Which one?
ham cheese.
No, ham and cheese is pork, right? Pork. The ham and cheese?
it's pork,
Is
right?
it pork? Pork, sayon. All ham. Saan bibilin mo ga? Cookies and cream?
I wanna get cookies.
Dark chocolate almond. Oh, parang masarap to.
I want ice cream.
What do you want, Sai?
Ice cream.
Ay, wag na ito.
Which one?
Wala dito yung ice cream. Sa iba tayo. Ikaw, be? Bili ka, be. Para kung hindi naman nakakahiya. Ha? Ikaw? Iya, cookies and cream? Or, doon, ito. Ha?
Ikong trip yung dyan. Pero para sa...
Alin?
Ano ba dyan? What do you
Or
think?
matcha roll?
You want a matcha roll here?
Yeah, try mo daw.
Okay.
Parang sarap. Daming tao. Ay, silang tagali ang lakab. So yan guys, yung pinipilahang pastries dito. Bumili kami ng matcha roll. Yeah, $5. Worth it naman yung $5 kasi yung box. Shalan.
2.5, that's zoomed in. It's 0.50.
Bumili kami ng ano. Bili kami ng ice cream dito sa Village Ice Cream. Kasi mainit ang panahon. Green tea, masarap.
There's dogs.
Ano masarap? Salted
I'm gonna get
caramel,
cookie and the cream.
maple.
I'm gonna get cookie and cream.
Yeah.
Okay.
North, wait.
I'm allergic to pollen. I have allergies to pollen.
So guys, kumain na kami ng ice cream. Hindi lang ako nag-vlog. Ubus na yung
What do
ice
I
cream.
look like, guys?
Nakuha ko yung, masarap yung coconut nila. Kay Baby Alea. Salted caramel. Kay Baby Sign vanilla.
Ang dami pa lang ng 2 scoop. Scoop pa ako ng cotton back. Oh my God.
Mom,
Ayaw kasi, sabi ko 1 scoop lang sa'yo eh.
where's Daddy?
Kasi kayo mag-share kami daddy. Hindi mo na ma-share sa amin kasi ayoko. It's so salty yung salted caramel. Salty yung salted caramel. As in salted talaga.
Going.
Parang salted eh. Kaya nga.
Where's that going?
Nagtapon ng ano ka.
Oh,
Yung frozen mo. Para meron ka pa
Wait,
bukas.
I wanna go.
Tapos bumili pa siyang pastry.
I know, that's why I want to save it because I want to try that one.
Hindi, frozen mo.
I'm gonna save my.
Si Dabong hindi makakain ng ice cream kasi may ubo. Matcha, ano yan? Matcha, ano yung binili mo?
Voice reveal matcha roll cake.
Mommy.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So, pauwi na kami and we're gonna rest after nito kasi Sabado.
Let's go.
Nag-dessert lang kami dito sa Village Ice Cream, dito sa Bridgeland. Daming tao. Maganda panahon kasi.
Sige na.
So, let's go na, Daddy. Bye.
Antayin ko lang yung lalaki. So, lumipat dito.
Tara.
Sinabihan ko na. May
Babush.
contact ko na sa amin. Magkita.
So aesthetic. Ano yan? Cafe?
Dami dito.
Restaurant. It's patio
Mga
season.
local,
Yeah, local.
Patio season.
What's burger?
Maganda sa
Chickeny menu. Maganda dito sa Bridgeland. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh.
Kung mapicturean yung babae doon, ikli ng suot mo.
Mommy,
Saan?
Labas yung...
there's a wiener dog.
Ha?
There's a wiener dog.
Yeah.
How do you know it's a winner dog?
I know.
And then, diretso pa yung ano, oh, marami pang construction.
It's nice and like.
Oh, parang ginawa na nila, parang ginaya na nila yung downtown.
That's nice.
Dami ng ano, condo, apartment na ano,
Din ng mga restaurant.
na bago. Look at that, oh. Vet clinic.
What the?
Yan dyan o, sa unahan may made by Marcos. Sa amin din dati yan eh.
Sayun!
Ito, ano din siya. Ice cream store din siya. Ang dami
Mga
kumakain.
bahay lang no? Maliit lang.
Yeah,
na.
cute.
Friends and I went there.
Oo, Martin.
Masarap din daw dyan.
Mga local store dito. Ito.
Tingnan nyo guys.
Taas na yun. May magandang bahay doon.
Elevated dito. Mas maganda. Para siyang sa US. Sa mga, ano, sa mga Beverly Hills.
Girl, that's not Beverly Hills.
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
Mommy, they
Eh,
should
dito yung mga bahay
Maybe
doon.
San Francisco, but not
Mommy,
Beverly
they
Hills.
should put Hollywood sign.
Yeah, Hollywood
Hills
sign.
are like
Ganda, oh.
mansions.
The bridge.
Pero
bridge
the,
land
ano,
sign.
the vibes.
No, it's not the vibes.
Oo, wala mong yan.
Yes.
San Francisco pa siguro, but
Ang ganda ng place dito.
Ano, para tayo sa Inglewood.
where?
Bakit may internet?
So, dadaan lang.
I like
Oh,
it.
tara.
Ito, Bridgeland.
Dito kami guys sa Calgary Zoo. Ayan.
Okay, let's go open
Hindi pa ako nakapasok dyan sa Calgary Zoo.
Ever?
ever and ever.
Dapat mag-date kayo dad yung mami sa Calgary.
What? Pakita na yung mga relatives, Chess.
Kita mo mga kalahi
Yung mga
dyan.
relatives sa Calgary Zoo magdi-date. Ano ba dad? I-date chip ha. Date mo ako sa Calgary Zoo.
High school.
We went there already.
No, I didn't saw all of the animals, Dad.
Because they don't like you.
Ikot-ikot lang kami dito sa Inglewood. Inglewood na ba to, Daddy?
No.
Hindi pa.
Dyan sa
Calgary Zoo. So from Bridgeland, dumaan kami ng Calgary Zoo. Papunta kami ng Inglewood. After namin kumain ng
It's actually
ice
pretty
cream.
nice here for zoo lights. Kind of.
ano yan?
Himala, nasa mood si Daddy mag-ano ngayon, drive around the city.
Sawa lang siya kung mag-drive sa city.
Akala ko sawa na ako matulog. Tulog is life yun si Daddy. Tulog is life. Eat or sleep?
Sabi
Sleep.
kasi ng doktor, kailangan maka 8 hours a day.
Sleep or trip? Sleep.
Kakaingit nga si Ate Lee 16 hours ang tulog. Share ka naman dyan.
Sana
I
all.
sleep at 3 a.m. So,
Sana all.
Share ka naman dyan.
first of all, I sleep at 3 a.m. every day.
Oh,
I'm
ito may
watching
balloons.
K-dramas.
May sale ng mga sasakyan.
Bili tayong sasakyan. So dito na
Hindi, yung
tayo.
mura yan lang, yung sakyan na ganyan, no?
Dito na kami sa
Mga
Inglewood.
Elantra, ganyan.
Inglewood na tayo, Daddy ba?
Yeah, maganda yan. Maganda picture niya ng mga
Daddy.
Hyundai. Ah,
Oh.
Inglewood na tayo. Hyundai is
Yan, no?
Japan.
Hindi. Taiwan ba yun?
Inglewood. Dami nag-walk around. Kasi ang ganda ng panahon. Naka-hills kasi tayo eh. From church kasi kami, guys. So naka-hills kami.
Ano?
Hindi
Parang
kami
cute
makapag-walk.
mag-commute pag summer. papuntang-
Yeah, I like commute.
Papuntang school. Kaso,
Ikaw pa.
girl, the transit to MRU is so
Exciting kayo
inaccessible.
mag-commute.
Yung
Yung
transit, yung transit,
Yung nakipaghabulan
MRU,
ka sa ano,
Hindi
sa
siya,
bus.
Katabi mo, lasing.
Oo, exciting kaya. Tapos anto katulog muna ako idli.
Tabihan ka ng homeless.
Tapos pag lumagpas, oh balik na naman. Hay, lumagpas ako tapos nagba-vlog ka. The best. Tingnan mo, street food.
Hindi, it's
Kain
patio
sila.
season. That's
Ilang banog
Kaya
sila
nga,
na ano.
pinasosya lang patio season.
because there's
Pero
something
street
kind of
food.
patio.
Mommy, I have to
May mga patio pa kayong nalalaman. Street food lang yan sa atin.
Balkon lang yan sa labas ng
Pero, ang traffic. Yes lang ga.
True.
So traffic, ha?
to pee.
Ay, uwi na tayo.
But we're far.
Benta ka tayo dito ng street food, no? May pwesto ka, tapos parang street food. Ano? Saw. Ganyan.
Eh, yung cart na yan.
Yung nakabalot na yung ano, yung hindi, may pwesto ka talaga. Ang ganda
Display
kaya.
lang. Ito.
Oh, I can't talk.
Tapos yung vibes mo is parang street food.
I can't talk to pee.
Where you gonna be here? Wow, picture taken. Dalawa o Pinay. Ay, maganda pa dun yung ano. Baka meron pa dun. Di lang tayo pumasok kanina sa park. Wala lang kasing parking.
Weekends.
Ellie.
So, pauwi na kami.
Mag-pay ka sa
Yeah.
doon na lang sa ano, sa park niya. Park sa
One person.
That's this.
Basta.
We're home! And si Ate Lee mag-taste test ng matcha roll. Ayan yung ano, $5. How much? $5.50?
Yeah.
Try it.
It's like a sponge cake na ano.
Oh, girl, my bad. Let me try. First bite me.
combed through every last piece of evidence.
Masarap.
Made the final impossible.
Ordinary.
I mean, it's matcha.
Matamis? Matamis? Kaya mo, ging. Malasahan mo talaga yung matcha. Pero yung unang bite mo, matamis. Matamis para sa akin, ah.
I would say might eat something.
Wow, you changed very good, Saysay. Let me see. Wow, very good. So, bahay na kami, Daddy. Bahay na. All of us sa bahay na.
Usually, I don't really like matcha pastries, but this is good.
Matamis? Matamis, Dad?
What does that mean? Sour?
O, dumating na yung uniform nila sa Nepomuceno. Sa volleyball. On August, meron kaming maganitela.
Luna, the one-year-old German Shepherd, responds better
Maganda. Nepomuceno 10. Sa'yo, ba wala?
That's the first batch. Yung Mendoza, second batch yun. That's why I'm wondering, maybe it's a different color kasi nga, it's different, ano. Hindi yun yung lighting, it's dark in both pictures. Pero yung Mendoza blue.
Nakulangan na sa red ink.
Oh.